I'm here at the end of Maple Ridge Road at Heiberg Memorial Forest, and we're going to go for a hike. We're going to look for Pond 3 out in the woods there. I have found Pond 3 at Heiberg Forest. Kind of neat. Now, I thought Heiberg Forest was pretty uncreative about their names. They called this Pond 3, but apparently there is another name for this pond. These are kind of clever. I think they're used for drainage control to direct water off of the road so it doesn't create erosion. But they're made out of tire treads. So if a car were to drive along, they flex right over. See if you can find this on Vormwald Road. Man, those are big rocks.